On number 14, remember that first row here just tells you which term you're looking at. This is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, but these are your actual terms that you get your pattern from. So since we're going 7, 5, 3, 1, you can see that they're going down by 2 each time, which means you are subtracting 2 to get the next term. So I can see that to get my fifth term, which is what this means, that's your x. So that's which term you are in. We want the fifth term. It's asking what is this number. So I need to follow this pattern. I'm going to subtract 2 from 1. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. So f of 5 is negative 1. I can continue this pattern because I want to know the seventh term here. So the sixth term, if I do negative 1 minus 2, I get negative 3. And the seventh term, if I subtract negative 2 from negative 3 minus 2 is negative 5. So the seventh term is negative 5. This next question is asking which term is going to give me negative 9 as an answer. So if I follow this pattern, the eighth term, negative 5 minus 2 is negative 7, so I'm still not there. The ninth term, negative 7 minus 2 is negative 9. So there it is. It's the ninth term, so you'll put a 9 here. On the last one, you're writing f of 8 using f of n minus 1. Remember, this just means term before. So what is the term before the eighth term? The seventh term, right? So I would say f of 8 equals f of 7. That's the term before. And then what would I do to that? Well, I follow my pattern. I'm subtracting 2. So to find the eighth term, I had to look at the seventh term and subtract 2 from it. That's what this is saying. The eighth term is simply the seventh term minus 2.